Hi folks, this is Max from HTC Evo hacks.com. So if you want to get a long battery life while overclocking your phone to the maximum, mine goes up to about 1.728 gigahertz. Then you can get the Viper ROM and get the RC Mix kernel. And if you get those, the Viper ROM comes with OC Daemon, which is slightly different from set CPU. It allows you to set the maximum CPU power while it's in its sleep state, which is great because that means you can clock it down to super low so it won't waste your battery while it's sleeping. Alright, so here's how you do it. Go to the market and you need to download the terminal emulator, or you can use ADB, but this is simpler. So type terminal emulator, right? And get the Android terminal emulator. Open it up. Actually, the Viper ROM comes with it. That's the cool part. Let me zoom in here real quick. And what you want to type is, click on there. Oops. Where's toggle soft keyboard? Type SU first, right? And hit allow, and then type VC, and you can see there it's, you see, let me zoom in even more. You can see you can adjust OC Daemon settings, and the great thing is you can also remove sprintware and stuff like that. I'll show you that in a second, but let me show you the overclocking settings. I'm going to press 1, and then you can set minimum frequency, sleep frequency. Enter. I'm gonna put 192,000. Okay, that's the lowest. Right? It's actually set at 192,000 at the top. You can see there. So I don't have to actually touch that. Let me go in again. Make sure, yeah. Exit. And then maximum sleep frequency, right? You can set this to something low too. I'm gonna set it to like the lowest. See, right now it's at 486,000, but I'm gonna change that to 192,000. Right? This means that it's gonna run at 192 megahertz when it's sleeping, not anymore, because I don't need my phone running and syncing stuff when I'm not using it. And then hit 3 and put on demand. Alright, so that's the sleep governor, so it's going to control when it's sleeping. When I turn my phone off or it's sleeping, it's only going to run at 192 megahertz, saving me a lot of battery, especially if I'm not using the phone often but it's turned off. Also, what you can do is set the awake frequency, which is while the phone is running. What happened to my keyboard? Okay, let me open it again. So that kind of reset it. So let me go SU and then VC. Alright, and then 1 again. Enter. And I'm gonna do number 4 this time. I'm gonna set the minimum frequency, but it's already set at 192 megahertz or 192,000 at the top. So I'm gonna leave that alone, and then hit 5 to set the max. And I can actually go all the way to 2 gigahertz, but I know it's gonna hang my phone. So I'm gonna set it at 1,728,000. 1,728,000. That's 1.728 gigahertz. I know my phone runs fine on that. So test that with set CPU before you do this. But you don't need set CPU with this. So that's set, and also set the awake governor and set it to on demand. All right, and then start Virtuous OC 7 and enter. Kill and restart, yes. So now my overclock Daemon is running at whatever I want, and my battery will last longer, but it will still overclock to 1.72 gigahertz, so long as that much power is needed. And also, you can go to other options. Manage, remove Viper ROM bloat. So go to 2, and then move removed system to system. Basically, you can add back on all the bloatware that Viper ROM removed if you want to. Or you can go to bloat freezer defroster. You can enable, disable Sprint apps, HTC apps, other apps. So this makes it kind of simple. You can do that, and then also, is that it? Oh, exit. Anyway, there's a lot of features there, but I just showed you 3 of different features. So my phone is overclocked now, and it's running at 1.728 gigahertz. And let me run some testing for you. This thing is running so fast. Let me try a multi-thread. Oh man, I can just feel it running really fast. My impact numbers don't really reflect that, but it's running fast, trust me. And let's run single thread. And let me run quadrant for you real quick. So let me run the quadrant test real quick. I've noticed that because I don't charge my phone at night, and usually what happens is when I wake up I lose like almost half of my battery. But this will definitely help me save battery while I'm sleeping, and I'll test it tomorrow and see how it goes and let you know, but on my next video. But definitely try it out. This could make your phone's battery last longer, because there's no reason for your phone to be running at full 1 gigahertz when it's sleeping, you know. I actually rather have it like almost turned off, because you know I can always manually sync stuff, and you know there's all that sync. I just turn it off because you know that's what wastes most of your battery, unless you're somebody who has to check your email like constantly. So I've got 2249, which is not too bad. So anyway, try this out. I'm gonna charge it up all the way, and I'll have some results tomorrow. But that's the OC Daemon feature I just showed you. Try it out. Let me know how long your battery lasts after that. So see y'all later. Thanks. Subscribe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.